In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quiz for funnels in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable workflow that fires the moment someone completes your quiz and automatically sends a follow-up email that keeps your funnel moving. First, make sure you already have a quiz created inside your account. This workflow depends on that quiz existing, so have it named clearly and ready to go. Then open the workflow you want to use for this funnel and add a new trigger. In the trigger setup, click Add Filters so we can tell GoHighLevel exactly what should activate this workflow. Choose the filter called Quiz Name, set the condition to Is, and then select the exact quiz you created from the dropdown. This precision matters because it prevents other quizzes or forms from firing the same automation. When that looks correct, click Save Trigger. Now let's attach the follow-up. Click Add Actions and choose Email. In the email settings, add a concise, benefit-focused subject line, such as, "Thanks for taking the quiz. Here are your next steps." In the message body, write a friendly, clear email that acknowledges their quiz submission, sets expectations for what happens next, and guides them to the next step in your funnel. If you use personalization tokens like the contact's first name, place them naturally in the greeting or the first sentence. Keep paragraphs short, use scannable language, and include one primary call to action that aligns with your offer, whether that's booking a call, viewing tailored recommendations, or accessing a resource. When you're happy with the content and formatting, click Save Action. Time to test. Click Test. Workflow. Select the email address where you want to receive the test, ideally your own inbox for quick verification, and then click Run Test. Check your inbox on both desktop and mobile to confirm the subject line renders well, the message layout is clean, links or buttons work, and tracking parameters are intact. If anything looks off, return to the email action, adjust your copy or formatting, and run the test again until everything is dialed in. A couple of quick tips as you finalize this. Use precise naming for your quiz and workflow to avoid confusion later, especially if you clone funnels. In the trigger filter, confirm the operator is set to Is and that the selected name exactly matches your quiz. In the email, avoid spammy trigger words in the subject and write like a human, clear, helpful, and direct. Most importantly, keep your message aligned with the quiz outcome so your contact knows exactly what to do next. That's it. You've connected your quiz to a targeted email follow-up inside GoHighLevel, ready to capture momentum and convert more leads.